today's trick, what we're going to need is a normal deck of cards and 10 specific cards from this deck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 black cards and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red cards. Now, what I need from you is you have to use your imagination for this. I want you to imagine that these 5 black cards represent oil. Easy to remember, black oil, and those 5 red cards over here represent water. Also easy to remember, Red Sea. So now you know the cliché that oil and water do not mix, red and blacks do not mix. So what we're going to do is we're going to use a trick with this cliché. What we're going to do is we're going to mix those red and black cards, and you can really see that I'm not joking, I'm really mixing the red and the blacks together. So we have a red black over here, red and 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 black right over here. So now we are going to scoop those cards. Once again you can really see that we have a red, black, red, black, red, black right over here. So from the other side would be a black, red, black, red, black. Right? Yeah. So now what we have over here are mixed cards, red and blacks, but as I have already said at the beginning of the effect, is that red and blacks do not mix, so in this pile what we have over here are only red cards. Of course, I'm a magician, I can make them mix if I want to, so with just a snap of the fingers you can see that I have managed to mix those cards in a red-black sequence. So now, if those cards in a red-black sequence, this means that also these 5 cards over here are in a red-black sequence, right? Well, wrong. All these 5 cards right over here are black cards, that are the best 10 black cards that anyone can find in a deck of cards. Thanks for watching.